Number 8, this one we have a Venn diagram with 3 overlapping circles, so this one will be a little bit more of a challenge. And we want to fill in each of the respective portions with the number of elements. So I'm going to try to draw this big enough and get everything on there. Okay, A, B, and we'll call this one C. And if possible, always you want to start from the very center. So this piece right here that I'm hovering over, circling around, is A, which overlaps with B and overlaps with C. So it's A, intersect B, intersect C. A and B and C, all 3 of them. Okay, that's this part right here. A and B and C is 16. So in the very center, there's 16. This 16 is a part of A, B, and C. So now as we work our way outward, we're going to be taking 16 away from the part of A and B, the part of A and C, and the part of B and C, because we already have 16 of them counted in the triple overlap in the very center. So once I find all 3, I now want to find each intersection by pairs, A and C, B and C, and A and B right here. So there are 35 all together in A and B, this overlap part. This should be 35. We already have accounted for 16. So we're going to do 35 minus 16. And that will give us 19, 29, yes, 19. So that means that this part right here, A and B, is 19. Plus the 16, that will give us our 35. Alright, so now we're going to look at A and C, this part right here. We're told it's 22. A and C is 22. So if we have 22 total, we already have counted 16. That will leave us with 6. So 6 plus 16 for A and C will give us 22. And then B and C, so this is B and C right here, so this part here. And there's 27. So we do 27, take away 16, because we already counted 16, leave us with 11. Okay, so we got the very center, A intersect B, A intersect C, and B and C. Now we just need to find A, B, and C separately. And again, we're going to be doing the same thing. When I take A, I'm going to take away all the parts I've already counted, and the remaining part will be here. Same thing for B and C. So A total is 58. All of this is 58. This part is 35 plus 6 is 41. So I'm going to do 58 minus 41. It's going to leave us with 17. So this part of A is 17. And then what you want to do is check your math. If you add up all these parts that are in A, we should get 58. Let me see if I can pull up my online calculator here and just do this as we go. Alright, so with this calculator, I'm going to add up all of these pieces right here that I have for A and verify that we get 58. So I'm going to do 17 plus 19 plus 16 plus 6. Okay, and we get 58. That's what circle A equals. Okay, and now we're going to do, what do we have next? We have A intersect B, A union B. So A and B, all of A and B together, we know that that equals 84. So all we need to do is add up all of these parts and take away 84. Okay, so we already have 58 plus 11. 58 plus 11 is 69. So we're going to have 84 minus 69. And that will give us 515. Okay, let's verify. 84 minus 69. 84 minus 69. We get 15. Okay, so we use A union B to figure that part out. So this is 15. Okay, going across, we've done A intersect B and C. We've done A intersect C, B intersect C. C, the total is 51. So we have 27, 33. So 51 take away 33. Give us 18. Okay. And then the last thing we will use is B complement equals 53. So B complement means we're going to look at everything except for B. So we completely get rid of B. All of this over here. I can't get them all with my finger. So we cover up B. Everything that's in B. We have 17 and 18. 35 plus 6. 41. So we have 41 so far. So we're missing a part that goes on the outside. So we know the total is 53. 53 minus 41. It's 12. Alright, so we know that 12 belongs on the outside. So there's a lot of math. There's a lot to keep up with. But if you work inside out and just kind of use them piece at a time, you want to start with the very center and then do the pairs and then do the individual ones, and then you can get the outside for the total. So 16 in the very center. This was 6. This circle was 11. This circle was 18. This circle was 12. And do be very careful. Entering them with the math, there's so many different individual pieces, it's very easy to make a mistake counting off by one. So double check all your work and make sure you type it all in correctly. One mistake, it will not tell you which one you got wrong. It will just say that it's wrong, and it might be just a typing error where you typed in the wrong keystroke. So be very, very careful.